Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of starting a successful online business. With the rapid growth of the internet, there has never been a better time to launch your own venture and reach a global audience. In this comprehensive 10-step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your online business and set it up for success. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Research your competitors. Analyzing your competitors is a critical step in gaining valuable insights for your online business. Thoroughly study their products, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer engagement. This research allows you to identify industry trends, spot untapped opportunities, and learn from their successes and mistakes. By understanding what they're doing right, you can fine-tune your approach to stand out in the competitive landscape. Moreover, identifying gaps in the market enables you to develop innovative solutions that address unmet customer needs, giving you a competitive edge. Embrace healthy competition as it pushes you to continuously improve and innovate, ultimately benefiting your customers and driving your business towards long-term success. Step 2. Develop a solid business plan. Creating a comprehensive business plan is the cornerstone of a successful online venture. This detailed roadmap outlines your mission, vision, and objectives, helping you stay focused and on track. Define clear and measurable business goals that align with your long-term vision, and establish realistic financial projections to understand your revenue and expenses. Your marketing strategies should be well-crafted, targeting your ideal audience through various channels. Additionally, your operational plans should cover logistics, inventory management, and customer service. A robust business plan not only provides direction for your team, but also instills confidence in potential investors or lenders, increasing your chances of securing funding to fuel your growth. Regularly revisit and update your plan as your business evolves, ensuring it remains relevant and effective in achieving your aspirations. Step 3. Choose the right business structure. Selecting the appropriate legal structure is a pivotal decision that impacts the foundation of your online business. You have several options, including sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company LLC, corporation, and more. Each structure comes with distinct advantages and disadvantages related to taxes, liability protection, management flexibility, and regulatory requirements. For example, sole proprietorship offers simplicity but lacks liability protection, while an LLC combines liability protection with less administrative burden. On the other hand, a corporation provides strong liability protection but involves complex governance. Take the time to research and seek professional advice to make an informed choice that aligns with your long-term goals and protects your personal assets. The right business structure provides the legal framework needed to safeguard your business and its future success. Step 4. Register your business. Registering your online business is a crucial step in establishing its legitimacy and credibility. Start by choosing a unique and memorable business name that reflects your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Once you have the perfect name, register it with the appropriate government authorities to secure exclusive rights to its use. Obtaining the necessary licenses and permits is equally important, as it ensures your business complies with local, state, and federal regulations. Depending on your industry and location, you may need permits for zoning, health and safety, sales tax, or professional certifications. By completing these legal formalities, you build trust with your customers and partners, demonstrating that you operate responsibly and are committed to ethical business practices. Registering your business protects your brand, minimizes legal risks, and sets the stage for long-term success in the competitive online marketplace. Step 5. Build a professional website. Your online presence is centered around your website, making it the virtual storefront of your business. Building a professional website is paramount in today's digital landscape, as it serves as the primary point of contact with potential customers. Design a user-friendly interface that offers a seamless browsing experience, ensuring visitors can easily navigate through your site and find the information they need. Aesthetics matter too. Employ a visually appealing design that aligns with your brand identity and captures the attention of your target audience. Incorporate high-quality images and engaging content to showcase your products or services effectively, highlighting their unique selling points. Moreover, ensure your website is mobile responsive, as an increasing number of users access the internet through smartphones and tablets. A well-crafted website not only bolsters your brand image, but also establishes trust with visitors, increasing the likelihood of conversions and repeat business. Step 6. Set up social media profiles. Embracing the power of social media is essential for any online business looking to thrive in the digital age. Create engaging profiles on relevant social media platforms that align with your target audience's preferences. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or TikTok, each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with potential customers. Consistency is key. Maintain an active presence by posting valuable content regularly. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions, fostering a sense of community around your brand. Leverage various social media features like stories, live videos, and polls to keep your audience entertained and involved. Social media provides an excellent avenue for customer feedback, allowing you to better understand their needs and preferences. By building a strong social media presence, you can boost brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and ultimately increase sales, all while cultivating a loyal community of brand advocates. Step 7. Create compelling content. In the digital realm, content reigns supreme, acting as the driving force behind your online business's success. To captivate your audience and build a loyal customer base, consistently produce high-quality and valuable content across various formats. Start a blog on your website to share industry insights, helpful tips, and updates related to your products or services. Utilize video content to showcase product demonstrations, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or engaging storytelling that resonates with your audience. Infographics are excellent for presenting complex information in a visually appealing and digestible format, while podcasts can help you establish thought leadership and connect with listeners on a more personal level. Remember to tailor your content to address your audience's pain points and interests. The more relevant and valuable your content, the more likely your audience will keep coming back for more, building trust and establishing your authority within your niche. Additionally, share your content across social media platforms to expand your reach and attract new visitors to your website. Compelling content not only strengthens your brand's online presence, but also serves as a powerful marketing tool, driving organic traffic and enhancing customer engagement. Step 8. Launch online marketing campaigns. To propel your online business to new heights, you must harness the vast potential of digital marketing. Embrace a multi-channel approach to reach your target audience effectively. Pay-per-click PPC advertising allows you to display targeted ads to potential customers, paying only when they click on your ad. This method ensures maximum visibility and offers valuable data on campaign performance. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing customer relationships. Create personalized and engaging email campaigns, delivering relevant content, exclusive offers, and updates to keep your subscribers interested and loyal. Collaborating with influencers can widen your brand's reach exponentially. Partner with influencers who resonate with your audience and have credibility in your niche to gain new followers and potential customers. Furthermore, explore content marketing, affiliate marketing, and social media advertising to diversify your marketing efforts. Track and analyze the performance of each campaign to optimize your strategies continually. By leveraging various digital marketing channels, you can drive traffic, generate leads, and boost conversions, paving the way for your online business's success. Remember, consistency and innovation are key to staying ahead in the dynamic digital landscape. Step 9. Provide exceptional customer service. Outstanding customer service is the cornerstone of any successful online business. When customers feel valued and supported, they are more likely to become loyal advocates for your brand and recommend it to others. Promptly respond to customer inquiries and address their concerns with empathy and professionalism. Offer multiple communication channels, such as email, live chat, and phone support, to cater to different preferences. Personalization goes a long way in creating a positive customer experience. Address customers by their names and remember their purchase history to make them feel valued and understood. Go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. Offer special promotions, loyalty programs, or exclusive content to reward loyal customers and keep them engaged with your brand. Remember, satisfied customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and testimonials, which can significantly impact your online reputation and attract new customers. Aim to resolve any issues promptly and professionally, turning a negative experience into a positive one. Handling customer complaints with grace and efficiency can win back their trust and loyalty. By providing exceptional customer service, you build a loyal customer base and cultivate a positive brand reputation, setting your online business apart from the competition and fostering long-term success. Step 10. Scale your business. Congratulations! Your online business has gained momentum, and now it's time to think about scaling up to unlock its full potential. Scaling involves strategically expanding and optimizing your operations to accommodate increased demand and reach a broader audience. One approach is to diversify your product or service offerings. Listen to customer feedback and market trends to identify new opportunities that align with your brand. Expanding your product line can attract repeat customers and tap into new markets. Consider entering new geographic markets or targeting different customer segments. Conduct thorough market research to understand the unique preferences and needs of these audiences, adapting your marketing strategies accordingly. Automation can also play a crucial role in scaling your business. Implementing technology solutions for repetitive tasks, such as inventory management, customer support, and order processing, can improve efficiency and reduce manual errors. However, scaling comes with its challenges, such as managing increased demand and maintaining consistent quality. Ensure you have the resources and infrastructure in place to handle growth effectively. Finally, don't forget to keep analyzing data and tracking performance metrics during this phase. Data-driven insights will help you make informed decisions and adapt your strategies as your business continues to evolve. By carefully planning and executing your scaling strategy, you position your online business for sustainable growth and long-term success in the competitive digital landscape. Remember, flexibility and innovation are essential as you navigate this exciting phase of your entrepreneurial journey. Congratulations! You've now learned the 10 essential steps to start a successful online business. Remember, building a business takes time and dedication. So stay persistent and keep learning along the way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.